You can fix him, right?
Can we? I don't know. We are not one, but we shall try.
Buzz Lightyear personal log. My brave little robotic partner had been blasted into a pile of beryllium carbonic scrap. And yet the LGMs were rebuilding him. Even without the Uni-Mind, those little green guys had the right stuff. Then came the wrong stuff. Their selection of auxiliary gear was obviously non-regulation. But perhaps there was a method to their madness. Maybe, just maybe. No, they had lost it.
Wow, they really need that Uni-Mind.
I don't think they have any idea what they're doing anymore, Commander.
What is, this thing?
An arm?
Told ya.
Blast! Zurg knows the little green guys keep Star Command running. That stinking buckethead. He did this to cripple our operation.
No, Commander. If that's all Zurg wanted, he could have destroyed the Uni-Mind. Instead, he had his new lackey agency steal it.
But why? What's he gonna do with it?
I don't know exactly, but I believe that even now Zurg is hatching his most diabolical scheme yet.
This is my most diabolical scheme yet! Assuming that the freak show known as my staff can do one thing right!
Of course, my evil emperor. And who better to give you the good news than, Brain Pod 13!
Okay, hi, Mr. Evil Emperor. How are you? You look terrific. Very sinister today. We believe that just as the Uni-Mind connected all the LGMs, it could, hopefully allow you to reach out and ensnare every innocent mind in the Galactic Alliance, huh? You know, a mind slave, evil puppet kind of scenario.
You're telling me my plan. I already know my plan. I made up the plan. It's my plan. What I don't know is how close you are to accomplishing my plan!
Yeah, kind of an outdoor voice there. Okay, naturally, the first step is to turn the Uni-Mind from good to evil, but, we don't have any idea how. See, we're on the way.
Rain! If you want something turned evil, turn it evil yourself. That's what Nana Zurg always used to say to me, and she was plenty evil. Nana Zurg would be so proud.